Welcome to this lesson about best practices for creating a one-pager Foleon doc that will wow your readers. A one-pager is a digestible piece of content like a landing page, event brochure, or even a newsletter. A one-pager is handy for summarizing the most important information about a topic and communicating the key points effectively. Single-page docs are smaller content pieces that take less time to prepare, create, and review. So, where do you start? And what needs to be considered when you're creating a one-pager? In this lesson, we focus on 3 key areas. First, templates. We love templates and encourage you to start with the Foleon template designed for one-pagers. Second, navigation. Since a single-page Foleon doc only has one page, its navigation differs from multi-page docs. And third, best practices. We want to share some of our most useful tips and practices with you. Before you start creating a doc, it's a good idea to prepare properly. Once you've gathered the text, data points, and visual elements you wish to include, it's time to jump into the editor. Let's dive in. The easiest way to get started on your one-pager is to start from a template. Starting from a template doesn't have to restrict creative freedom. For this lesson, I'll use a landing page template. It's great for one-pager docs that have chunks of text or multiple short topics. You can use this template as a starting point for any of your content. You can also start from scratch and utilize page templates. For example, if your content consists of one long story, check out the textual read category. The first or second template can be a great starting point for you. When choosing a page template, you can preview the page layout on the right-hand side. All templates are fully customizable, and every predefined setting can be overruled if needed. Templates simply provide you with a backbone for design, making content creation easy for you. Additionally, they're carefully structured with reader experience in mind. Templates can be extended or reduced to fit the length of your content. You can simply add blocks and elements by dragging and dropping them in, or delete any section necessary. In this lesson, I won't be focusing on adding content to a Foleon doc. If you want to learn more about that, I can recommend watching our platform training. To make the reader experience engaging, it's important to let the reader know what to expect next and how to get there. Therefore, one-pagers need clear navigation too. To keep things clear for your reader, make sure to customize the Foleon doc navigation settings for your one-pager. For example, we can hide the navigation bar entirely, or just the page numbers and page arrows. If you choose to keep the navigation bar enabled, you can add a custom URL to the logo to directly link your website, product, event, or whatever suits the purpose for your one-pager, if a logo remains visible, of course. A progress bar is a really nice feature for showing your reader exactly how far into the content they currently are and how much they have left. You can change the color of the bar in the theme settings to make it align with your branding. As you can see, as I scroll down the page, the progress bar is moving with me, helping me know how far I am on the page. We have one more thing to check: the footer. If you started from a page template, it's possible that the footer already has navigation buttons for previous and next page. You can customize them with your own text and colors. Here are some best practices for one-pager creation straight from our in-house designers. 1. Make sure to adjust the navigation settings to not confuse your reader. 2. We recommend duplicating or copying and pasting blocks if you have to extend the page. This way you can stay consistent in your layout. Here's a pro tip. Check the responsiveness on tablet and mobile before duplicating your blocks. This saves you a lot of time. 3. To save space and help keep the one-pager tidy and digestible, use overlays for additional information. Once you're finished creating, it's time to preview your Foleon doc. When everything looks great, you may want to hear what the rest of the project team thinks. Using the built-in review mode is just for this. Open review mode by clicking here. And share the URL with stakeholders to collect feedback before publishing. When all the possible changes and final touches are done, it's time to publish the doc and distribute it. Remember to track the performance of your doc and make any tweaks if necessary. Here's a recap of what we've covered in this lesson. Starting from a template helps keep a consistent layout and speed up the production. Always adjust the navigation settings to match the use case. And use overlays to include more information and keep the page concise. Now it's time for you to go create your one-page Foleon doc. Good luck and thanks for watching.